Hello. Hi. Today I will be paraphrasing one of the documents that I researched of an article by Anne Marie Coben. She's actually written a document relating to why should we eat whole foods. Specifically, I will be paraphrasing as one of my choices to reiterate what her point of view was here in her document. I can say that when she mentions whole foods, it is necessary to consume at least 70 to 80% of those meat, poultry, or fish items that are high in phosphorus and nutrients, and kind of minimize those fragmented foods that can be high in oils. And we always tend to think that some of the fruit and dairy products, such as milk and cheese, can be healthy. Sometimes those can be cancer, disease-oriented products. However, should be minimized or reduced. Our bodies work as decomposers, so that way when we input or intake certain whole foods that can be such as like grains or high in fiber, beans, such things like that, they include a way to decompose our bodies to continue the healthy way of living, to avoid these diseases. So grains are very favorable, and they are good for moving different items through our intestines to kind of stimulate our bowels and make sure that we are releasing properly. This is my way of restating and paraphrasing her point of view and the reason to why we should eat whole foods. Hope you enjoy.